Okay, today we modified the Audi A6 C8 for the ACC. You can see this grille not reserve the ACC horn and the leather horn, so we need to change the new grille with this horn. This is the leather horn, this is the ACC horn, and the ACC parts. The lines. Also we change our common fiber mirror cover. It's real common. Let's show you the detail. In the back is ABS materials. And put the real carbon in front. It's good quality. And this one. The left and the right for the Audi A6 C8 will change. Audi A6 C8, the common fiber mirror cover with the land change in the horns. Also can not with this land. Show you the detail. Real common. It's good quality. C8. And this one. Common. Okay, we'll install it later on this car. A6 C8. Okay, now we have changed the with ACC grille for it. This is the real ACC. Also change the brakes. Need to change the brakes. In here, can you look? These brakes and this is the Renault car. 这个是原车的哈，那个中网支架。And this and the mirror cover with land. In here, we'll install it later. Okay, now we have installed the mirror cover for it. Let's show you the details. It's a real carbon fiber. Check the details. It's good quality. Also with the land in here, like this. I'll show you it later. And another size. Like this one.